Says 1, 2, 3, mic check. Oh, what the hell? What's going on, man? Oh shit. Hold up. Let me make sure my audio good real quick, dog. Now look, bro. They trying to set us up again, bro. Says 1, 2, 3, mic check. Oh, what the hell? Alright, cause look, dude. Hold on, I don't think I even need to close the preview. Leave that shit open, bro. GPU is strong enough. Look, this is what I'm saying. We're gapping up here. I mean, you can even call this a gap up. Look, little baby gap up. We gapped down. Look, gapped up there, faded, then ran up. Gapped up here, faded, then ran up. We gapped up here, and it's looking like we're fading. Do we keep fading or do we run up? That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. And like, why are the Qs already backside? Why is Tesla already about to go backside? I don't know what the hell's going on here, bro. We about to see right now. All I know is I got chopped up twice trying to fade shit. So I'm backing off fading, bro. Like the Bears are getting ate the fuck up, bro. Straight up. And the main reason, hold on, let me see something. The main reason why I really haven't been like freaking buying the dip is because I feel like there's no need to, dog. Like I'm already long in my long term, but if we're gonna keep running up like this, bro, like I gotta get me some of this. But hold up, because we're like going backside into the open here. So let's see, bro. We got about 10 seconds. 10 seconds to market open. Let's see what happens here, bro. I ain't in no rush to take any trades today, bro. I don't know why my shit always does that. It's annoying as fuck. See what I'm saying? Look, we're already going backside today, bro. That's something different, dude. It's not the same shit we've been seeing, bro. Look at this. On the lows out the gate. And look, the S&P 500. Oh, hold on. Let me see something. Let's do it in 1 minute. The S&P 500 didn't gap up today. Notice that. No gap up. See? But look at this fucking beast, bro. This thing, dog, it won't stop. But look at that. Look at that wicking to the downside, bro. On Meta. Alright. All right, you see this wicking to the downside? Yeah, we're putting in a higher low here, but I don't know, dog. And then you got the Russell rejecting off of whatever level that is I had in there, 188 60s. Let's see what the S&P 500 does, because if it can't get front side, then we gotta assume that we're bearish today, bro. At least until the meeting. Look at this beast. Dude, this thing ain't playing with you, bro. So you see, this is looking a little different today, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Look, the S&P 500's barely staying front side here. The Qs are already backside. Tesla went backside. But I'm not trading off the open, dude. I don't do that. We're just about to sit here and watch this. Look, Palantir rejected 16, which is actually previous close, and rejecting off of that going to the downside. S triple Q is bouncing. Look, we're back up here to this $20 level. Looking like it wants to push up. Everything else is dumping right off the open, bro. So I don't know, bro. And as far as the meeting, like, if I mean, trade it if you want, but you need to be listening to exactly what the hell he's saying. And if he says anything about pain or anything like that, just look for the markets to dump. Look at this. That's what I'm saying, bro. That this is different. This ain't the same price action we've been seeing off the open. For some reason, tech's looking. I mean, but look, Nvidia's backside. Now, hey, I've been hearing some bullshit on AMD. Uh, Price ain't reflecting that right now, though. All right, look, you got SoFi bouncing. S triple Q. Look. The S triple Q is breaking above that $20 though, bro. The S triple Q's front side and trying to break above 20. If it can get above 20, then we know the fade's real. But dude, I'm scared to fade shit. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm like break even on the week. And really the only reason why I'm break even is just because my long term has been performing so good, bro. That's the only reason I'm break even. Look at Palantir. Uh, that's a nasty rejection on 16. I don't like that. I might have to. I don't like that. If it breaks down past 15, I'm out of it. I wrote it from 750 to up to where we're trading at now. If we start breaking down 15, I'm out. All right, look. All right, so look, that's bullish. But bro, look, we're seeing nothing but wicking. Let's see if we can stay front side on the S&P 500 before we do anything. Look, Meta's coming down, about to crack. Nvidia's already backside. Let's see if we can stay up here, bro. If we can, and look at this wick right here. Let's go to 1 minute. Look at this wicking up here, bro. So every other day we gapped up, I believe. Hold on. I was gonna go back and check, but look, we're about to dump and crack and go backside. Let's go back over here, dude. Look at Apple though. I don't know, bro. Look. All right, let's do some homework real quick. See, look, gap up, gap up. No gap up today. No gap up today, bro. All right, so look, I'm interested in those 436s, the puts. I'm interested in the 436s, bro. If we break down, I mean, look, the S&P 500's already backside. Let's go to 30-second candles. See what the hell is going on here, bro. Yeah, dude, this is looking pretty bearish. I mean, the Bears got to get some back at some point, bro. You feel me? I don't. It's not sustainable that we keep running up like this. I don't care what you say. Let me double check first, though, cause we're bouncing now, dude. My bad, I was on the wrong chart. It's not sustainable, bro. And look, this thing about to crack and go to the downside, dude. Let me see what's up with these 436s. Hold up, hold up. It's too early, anyways. That's where you look at this cracking to the downside. We we need to watch the S&P 500 though. I mean, if you trade in the SPY, anyways. Let's see if we can get front side. Alright. Might have to what the fuck, bro? Like that's a dude. I'm definitely trying trading view next month. Look at this. See all these wicks right here, bro? Look, wicking to the downside. That's indecision. That's bullish. Wick here. Look at Meta, bro. Meta always gives you decent range to trade off of, though. Like that's the main thing about Meta, bro. The range. I mean, it's a double-edged sword, though. You feel me? I should give you range in your direction or going against you. You feel me? So look. All right. So I mean, the Russell up here. Look. Let's see if we can actually break above whatever this high is here and put in a new high. All right. See. That's why I don't trade off the open. You feel me? I was interested in the 436 puts. I still am. I still am. Bro, look at all this wicking. But I just want to see some confirmation first, bro. Look, I mean, we're looking pretty weak. Look, the Q's are already backside. What are they? Yeah, I'll try one.
Order filled.
I'll try one, but I'm ready to fucking jump out as soon as I see that shit going against me today. I'm not playing around today, bro. For a market order. I'm not even wasting no time, dude. See, look, we're bouncing. And give it some time because we're looking weak. But you know what? Like, historically, before the FOMC meeting, we were always bullish. So that was probably a bad trade. Let's see, bro. Because if the Qs are able to come up here and go front side, that was definitely a bad trade. Look, we're on the highs. I'm about to close it out off rip. If the Qs go front side, I'm out. If the Qs can come up here and go front side, dude, I'm out of it, bro. Look at this wick in here. Look at the Russell coming down. We are on the highs right now. We were for a second. Yeah, we're pushing up towards the highs, bro. don't know why I keep trying to fade this fucking bull market, bro. Because I know inevitably we gotta give some back. Look, look, the Russell's coming down. All right, we're wicking up here. We're wicking off the highs. I'm just trying to catch that washout real quick. You feel me? Let's catch this washout. Look, the Q's, I don't know. They're trying to go front side on me, bro. I might have to get out. Look, 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 look. I heard that the Russell 2000 kind of leads the direction of the market. I heard someone say that. I'm trying to see if that's true right now. What I'm saying is we gapped up 3 days in a row. All right? Yeah, no, I'm out. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out. Look at this, dude. Look at this beast. Looks like they're trying to double top up here at the highs. Let's see if we can reject off that. Nvidia, look, right above previous close, just wicking, trying to wick to the downside. This thing's putting in higher lows. Yeah, you know what, dude? Historically, we've been bullish going into the FOMC meeting. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've traded it like every month. So I don't know why I'm trying to fade it right now. I'm just I don't know, being stubborn, I guess. Look, so we're looking bearish, and the S triple Q faded down the previous close. Now, if the S triple Q goes backside, I'm about to flip long. On Palantir grinding back up, trying to get green on the day. AI has been a freaking huge winner for me. So is Palantir. I was looking to get into some SoFi calls. I mean, we've held above 950. You feel me? So that was one of the things I was looking for. I'm on the wrong chart. That was one of the things I was looking for some proof of concept. All right, we're not too bad right now. I mean, obviously, I'm down on the position right now. I'm not letting it go too much today, though, bro. I don't want to be stuck in a trade too long today, bro. So I got a lot to do. Stock slip at open as Fed decision nears. We're gonna go over the watch list here in a second. Let me just watch this position real quick. Let me manage it. Hold up, dude. We'll see what the hell's going on here, man. See, look, we gapped up, started fading, bounced, gapped up, but look, we did the same thing here. But we gapped up, we started fading down to the high of the previous day, and then we just ran. And this time we gapped up and we faded and went backside. But this shit's ripping against me decent right now. I'm down. I'm down almost 3%. Look, the Russell ain't trying to do nothing here, bro. It's almost like there's resistance. I mean, for sure. Look, see that? Just wicking to the downside now for 20 minutes. Let's watch it. No, this thing's looking bullish. This thing's looking bullish. But we didn't gap up today, which, if you think about it, I feel like that's even more bullish that we didn't gap up because now there isn't anything that we can gap fill down to or give anything back. You feel me? Like it's just pure bullishness. You know what I'm saying? Without the gap up, it's like pure. It's like pure bullishness. Now look, down 3%. Dude, I'm about to cut it and flip long, bro. You gotta cut it. I don't know why it's so hard for me to cut my trades when I know it's going against me, bro. Something I need to work on. But look, dude, I'm not convinced yet. Let's see. First of all, like that's too small. We can't see it. Let's see. We gapped up all the way up to here. Look, gap up to here, bro. Actually, let's go to 15 minutes for some more clarity and logic. Actually, like the 10. 437.80s. I mean, if we break above that, bro, like we're straight bulls, dude. I mean, this is volatility off the open. That's all right. It's been 15 minutes, so you would expect, you know what I mean, like any range to be put in on a regular day. Obviously, when JP comes on, like all that's out the window. But if this was a regular day, that's what I'm talking about. So look, this level up here is like where we gapped up to and rejected off of a few times pre-market. So see, I should have waited probably and then maybe grabbed the 437 to the downside. Look, we're on the highs. And actually, yeah, we've broken above any pre-market high or whatever on the S&P 500. 43.75 and change. We're trying to push past it right now. We pushed past it. We're consolidating on it, which is actually bullish. And the Russell keeps coming up here and rejecting off this 189. Bro, I like we know we've been bullish, bro, but like how long can it continue? That's what I'm wondering. I'm trying to catch the reversal, bro. But I mean, it's almost seeming like we're going into that just buy the dip mentality ass market, bro. I don't fare too well in those type of conditions. I'm gonna just keep it real with you because I just feel like it's too good to be true. When something's too good to be true, it usually is, bro. I don't know where I heard that from, but I heard it a few thousand times. Look, the Qs are rejecting, trying to reject here off this level here. You could see some price action, some price reacting around it. 360, 390. Let's see if we can like show some signs of. I'm not gonna say weakness, but goddamn, some moderation or something. You feel me? We're on the highs. Let's go to 30-second candles. Let's jump down in the trenches right quick, my guy. All right, so look, the Russell's been trading in this range. It's looking like we want to break out of the range to the downside. All right, we do have previous close down here. All right, now we see the S&P 500 trying to show some signs of weakness. However, it could just be a healthy pullback. I need to see us break past the 9. Look at the Russell. Let's go to 1 minute. All right, so look, but that. Those are just healthy pullbacks. For it not to be a healthy pullback, we need to pull back past like this chop, this consolidation right here. And then look at the spot. I mean, we were just like showing some signs of weakness here, but it got some volume. Oh, I mean, not really, not that much. Like off the open, bro. That's where I mean, if fading right off the open would have been decent for a quick scalp. All right, look, we're trying to come down, bro. Let's come down and wash out. You feel me? We need to come down and wash out before we can take the next leg higher, in my opinion. You have to assume that uh a lot of this running has been pre-anticipatory, bro. Nvidia is coming up here and topping out. Let's go to a slightly higher time frame, like a 10. So clearly resistance up here at 414 and a half. 414.49 on Nvidia. I don't what's the 52-week high? I don't know. It's got to be close to that though. Or was it like 430s or something? What is this? Yeah, yeah, dude, we're on the highs, bro. Like on Nvidia, like on the high, like fucking not the high a day, like the high of the. I don't know. It could be a 52-week. I mean, don't quote me on that. Look, so if we can't break down past this level here, this chop here, and we are able to consolidate above this level, like then you gotta assume that we're gonna be fucking bullish. Now look at the Russell. Nvidia is popping. The Russell's fading. The S&P 500's fading. It's coming down to test this 43.75 and change. I would love to see us show some signs of mortality here because we've been looking. What's the word I'm looking for? Fucking invincible, immortal. Like as far as bull bullishness, and like I'm watching the cues here for some reason. What the fuck? The hell, dude? Uh, see, usually I was anticipating the break and going backside, which is actually wrong because why would you try to fade near support? That's actually wrong, but I'm trying to anticipate um, some logic coming back into the market here, bro. But there might not be any because like the inflation numbers, CPI, and all that shit is like it came in super cool. All right, breaking down a little bit. Look, the Russell is on the lows. So let's see if the Russell's going to lead the direction of this thing. You have the S&P 500 trying to break down this level that I'm saying we need to break down uh, in order, because if we can't break down this level right here where we had all this consolidation at, then we're going to be bullish. And let's go to like a slightly higher time frame. All right, I got to get rid of some levels. See, there's nothing up here, bro. We're in no man's land. But you see, there is a level there. Right here. Actually, it's like right here. See that? 43.75 and change. This level. 43, no, 43.73. So this is a level. Uh, going back a few days. Oh, this is that level that we rejected off of 3 times. Yeah, it's on the SPY too. Look, I'll show you real quick. It was yesterday. See this? Reject, reject, reject 3 times. Right? So this level right here is key because we came up and rejected off of it twice. I meant 3 times in a row before eventually breaking uh, above it. But this is a major level. Uh, and if we can't break down that and we're able to consolidate above this level, bro, then there's no hope for bears, bro. There's no hope. Grinding up. I mean, those are 30-second candles. All right, look. So this is probably the more. This is the area where you should try to fade from, like at the top of the range. You feel me? So those 437s are looking interesting right now. The 437 puts. I mean, I'm already in some puts, but the 437s are looking uh, more interesting. I like jump the gun. Oh, the rogue chart. My bad, dog. Looking at the S&P 500 and this Russell here. Let's go. Nvidia front side, Meta front side. in a major way. At least Meta is. Nvidia is actually, we hit 414.50s and rejected and faded a little bit down to the 9. I'm just gonna put just a level here to show me where high is, and so if we have any type of resistance or anything on it, you feel me, or if we just rip right through it. I mean, I'm seeing some resistance. If you come back over to the SPY, it's basically like the same thing, like right up here. And I feel like I got way too many levels on my chart. They're intraday levels too. Like, I'm just being lazy. Hey, matter of fact, let's get rid of all these. All I want is a resistance on here right now. All right, so double top, but looking to bounce. Where we at? All right, we're still all right. I could live with that. Saying I didn't like that move. 437.60s. We're double topping off of. Could go either way. It actually looks like we might break above it. Yeah. So this is, see, if you're gonna fade from anywhere, it should be up here, bro. But I don't want to double down. I have no problem being wrong, but I don't want to be wrong. I don't want to be double wrong. All right, so look, the S triple Q has faded, went backside. Obviously, that's bullish for the market. Um, Gap down, ran all the way up here. And look, we're wicking to the downside. Yeah, bro. We might see like full on bullishness until the meeting. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. So we broke a support, and as you would expect, this thing has pushed up above that, and obviously my position is going ferociously against me. I'm gonna give it a little more time, but it's not looking good. Look, I mean, this wick is interesting up here. Oh my god, dude! Like, what is that? Like, I got like shit. My shit's sounding like AOL, dog. Like there's like a fax machine running in the background. You feel me? I'm just paranoid with shit like that, bro. See that? And I'm on the wrong chart. My bad, dude. Look, this thing's way up here, bro. I mean, 438s at 438.05s. Obviously, you'd be interested in the 438 puts if you think we're gonna fade eventually. I just don't see it. I don't see it, at least until the meeting. Look at Meta. Meta's on the highs. Nvidia's damn near on the highs. The S&P 500's up here playing around on the highs though. And you got the Russell came down here to previous close, was looking like it was gonna break down, and then caught a bid. And I mean, it's not like we went straight up. So we did go up in moderation, which is good, which is actually bullish. If we don't if we don't show any type of signs of weakness pretty soon here, bro. And I'm over here looking at this stuff. I'm looking at AMD still front side, but coming down. SoFi coming down, but still front side. S triple Q is still backside. It's looking like it wants to try to bounce. Palantir is fighting with previous close. $16 level. Nice round psychological level there. S triple Q on the low, but trying to bounce. Look at the Russell coming for the double bottom on previous close. Nvidia, I mean, basically double top at the high of day. You also have Meta rejecting off the high of day. Okay, look, I mean, this is a healthy pullback for now. 30-second candles. I mean, little something different. I see the Russell trying to bounce though. Say this is a healthy pullback. We're just putting in higher lows, bro. But the Russell isn't. The Russell faded and it's like chopping around down here. But at some point, we have to stop trying to be contrarian and just trade with the trend here. And this is the last chance right here, bro. If we can't get a decent fade or something, like here where we're seeing this top in action, that's it, bro. 438 flat. Actually, it's 438.05. That's what I'm saying. Like, if we break past this shit, but especially with some conviction, like, we just have to assume we're like in a dip buyer's market, bro. Like, there's a lot of capital inflowing into the markets right now, bro. Look, all right, get the Russell coming back down, trying to test previous close again. I mean, I'd love to see a break below this. Rejecting off the 9 here. All right, look, we're seeing some type of top in here, bro. But I mean, as far as I'm concerned, that's a healthy pullback. Look, we seen the same kind of price action right here before we took the next leg higher. Right now, we're trying to bounce off the 9 EMA. The Russell's trying to reject to the downside, wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA. All right, so the Russell did nothing. We just based. Um, the S&P 500 did kind of put in a slight lower low and a lower high. I do still see some wicking, uh, some possible wicking to the downside on the Russell. We have the S&P 500 now wicking to the downside, rejecting off the 9 EMA. But again, I mean, in order for me to believe it, we'd have to also come down here and break this level and this level. If not, it's just higher lows. Seen that? I've seen price go all the way down here for a second. All right, let's see what's going on across the markets here. What about the Qs? Bullish, obviously. Um, Topping. I'm seeing more topping action. 364.50s or so. Also coincides with high of day. And we're looking to break past that right now in the Qs. What about Apple? Same kind of pattern, but Apple has faded more considerably off the high. I'm gonna say resistance is up here at 184.25. That's Apple. And then Tesla actually went backside, but dude, above 250. And I said, dude, if we remain bullish, Tesla is going to 300. And once it gets to 300, bro, like, that's it. We might go back up to 5, 6, 7. Remember, we were trading in that range from like 600 to 1,000 over and over. If Tesla can get that 300, I feel like it's going to go back and start doing that. Uh, Now look, now we see the Russell going backside and trying to wick to the downside, rejecting our previous close. But at the same time, the S&P 500 is bouncing, so I don't know what to think about that. All right, we're seeing some. All right, this is almost like a double top up here. Like we just need to see some follow through on this rejection. Let's look at it 30 seconds. We'll go over the watch list here in a second. Okay, being propped up on the 9 EMA, basically consolidating. I mean, yeah, that's definitely consolidation. I was gonna say maybe topping out, but it's looking like consolidation to take the next leg higher. Look, we did it here, we did it here, and we're doing it again. And we're breaking above that. This 438. You feel me? We have to. Oh, thanks for the follow, dog. We're breaking above 438, bro. You just have to. I don't know, dog. Like, I just don't feel like it's sustainable, bro. But at the same time, it really doesn't matter what I think. You feel me? It's what the market wants to do, bro. Keep that in mind. Look, we got the Russell here, like refusing to break down, which means if they are leading the direction, that means the market's about to freaking take the next leg higher, and I'm about to stop out. Nvidia, like, fucking just being beastly. But yeah, I've been topping here for a while. Trying to break past it. These are 30-second candles. You seen that? Trying to step up. We're like right there on the high, bro. I mean, damn, are we gonna get any type of pullback? All right, you see some wicking here, some wicking here. I mean, Meta, like, we can't really look at Meta and try to determine anything because Meta just does its own thing sometimes. It's just bullish as hell lately. All right, let's go back over here, bro. Hey, I mean, in normal market conditions, like, this is where you want to be fading from. At the top of the range where we've been topping out for a while and kind of refusing to go higher. Like, I jumped the gun, but like those 438 puts would have been nice up here if we see some follow through. You feel me? All right, so look, we're starting to see a little bit of weakness. All right, we'd love to see the Russell come down here and crack previous close, just for some confirmation here. Uh, S triple Q's like wicking to the downside bad, bro. Look, like it's just wicking to the downside on the lows here, bro. That obviously means the market is bullish. Dude, I can't believe how much AI has ran, dude. Like, that's it. That's damn near a home run play for me. All right, so look, we just broke above 438 with some strength. Being propped up by this 9 EMA the whole way, bro. I'd love to see a breakdown of the 9 here. Everything's on the highs though. Tesla got up to 261.50s. Tesla's been another one of my home runs. Look at this. All right, so let me see what kind of volume we got. All right, so we're trying to push higher, but look, it was indecisive, and there seems to be some sellers up here, as you can see from this wick here. Look, the Russell now has broken down previous close and is on the lows. All right. I would love to see the S&P 500 break down this level where we're topping out. Let's go to 30-second real quick. Jump all the way down in the trenches. I can actually go to like freaking 15-second, 10-second candles, but like it's too erratic. We only do that if we're like day trading, like scalping equity. All right, so look, nice little fade. Russell was trying to bounce here. They're selling into it. They were. I seen a little wick developing. Look at the S&P 500. We're under that level that we're topping out against. Right, that's the first step to some logic. Meta's doing his usual thing. Damn near got the 275. 274.99 is the high day on Meta. We are starting to see a little bit of reversal action here. I mean, who knows if we're actually going to see. Look, the Russell bounces. Let's see if the overall market bounces as well. See, that could be a healthy pullback. Well, look at that wick right there. Which lets me know there's more continuation to the downside possible. So we're about to put in a lower low. Right there. The Russell bounced up to the 9 EMA. And it's looking like it's actually rejecting wick into the downside off the 9 EMA. I mean, that would be some good wait. All right, come back over here though. Check out the spy. That's what I was saying. Like, if you're gonna fade, you know what I mean? It'd be from up here, the 438s. At 438.05, you would have been immediately in the money and just going deeper right now. See, now we're coming down. You feel me? You see the Russell rejecting off previous close. You see the S&P 500 fading a little bit. It's not enough. Not enough of a fade for me to be convinced. But, I mean, it's something. It's something. NVIDIA is coming down here to this 414.50s, which was resistance for a little bit. Obviously, you would expect for it to act as support now. Doesn't mean it can't be cracked, but you'd expect for us to have trouble there in either direction. All right, so look, this is the next little area of chop right here. Like, what is it? What is this? Where we were chopping around at, there's a level here. So this would be like the next barrier for a fade to the downside. And you seen we did come down here and touch it, but then they bought it up. That's why you see the wick on the bottom. And this thing's not doing nothing. Let's go to 30 seconds. All right. So we came down here and we're bouncing up to the 9 EMA on the 30-second. On the 1 minute, just more bullishness. Like, but I will say, hold up, what the fuck is going on with this? Russell's still under previous close and backside. Uh, Looks like it's having trouble with the 9 EMA. But look, you got see the volume there. Some binds coming in, and I don't particularly like this type of price action. Cause look, yeah, we ran up and freaking put in a new base up here, and now we're trading within the range up here, basically consolidating, but higher up, which leads me to believe that if we, you know what I'm saying, we could break out of this to the upside and do the same thing. So, in order for me to have any faith in my trade, I need for us to come down here and crack this and like come back down here, bro. I mean, the Russell's kind of participating. A little double bottom here. So it'd be nice if we can crack this double bottom. I mean, we're already backside and under VWAP and the 120 and previous close and the 9 EMA. So again, we're trading in this range. I don't expect to see any huge moves in the market until we break out of this range, either to the upside or the downside. Let's go back over here and look at the SPY. Look, those 438s would have had you in the money right now. You'd have been getting, you would have got out here. You know what I'm saying? But I was saying grab them at like 438.05. That way you're close to the money. Off this move right here, you would have ate. How much you would have ate? Oh, depends on what size you're trading with. But 5 to 10 contracts, you know what I mean, or more, you definitely would have ate. You'd have been done. You'd have been full for the day, dog. Because again, like, no one's trying to hit home runs here, bro. That's out. Only thing you can do is try to take base hits. This is what the Qs look like so far on the 5 minute. Straight bullish. Look, trying to come down here and break down though. But if we can't break down this level, 364.50s, and we stay up here and consolidate too long, like we're gonna keep going up. See? It's crucial right here. This is like the higher low. So we come down here and bounce off that. Also coincides with the 9 EMA, giving it a little extra bouncing power, if you will. Look at this beast, dude. Apple was looking weak, for a little bit, like a few days ago. I don't know, shit's looking pretty strong there. I mean, dude, basically all the plays I have in my long term have just been doing wonders, bro. which is basically the SPY, the Qs, Apple, Tesla, Palantir, AI. I don't have AI in the long term. I have it in a swing trade, swing account. There's other stuff I have in there too. I have to check. So right now, bro, it seems like we're just consolidating here to take the next leg higher, bro. Look, back above 438. Look, trading in this range. Uh, Even Russell was trading within a range here. From what 187.60s to previous close. I am seeing some bullishness start to materialize uh, on Meta and Nvidia. If this thing goes back front side, which it's looking to do right now, we're range bound for now. I'm gonna stream the thing. Last time I streamed the FOMC, whatchamacallit, like they hit me with the copyright, not a strike, but I guess a copyright. What is that? A copyright warning? Uh, so what I might do is, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Like this channel isn't really even close. I mean, on the Russell's going back front side. I want to go over some plays off the watch list. But I just feel like I need to really manage this real quick because we can't let it get too out of hand. Look at Palantir, bro. Like we wicking off of 16 a lot. Look, I mean, this is all you need to know, bro. The S triple Q is on the lows, damn near. Although it's looking like we're trying to double bottom up down now. If we can't hold this double bottom and we crack and break that, bro, that's it. Like the Bulls got it for sure. The Bulls been eating. They've been eating. Like I said, that's why it's so important to have a long term. Like your intraday trading is just should just be supplementary. But see, when the market's totally bullish like this, especially if you have a decent average cost. Look at that. The Q's acting like they want to come down a little bit. Let's go to a higher time frame now. And really see what's happening. See, on the 10-minute or even the 15, 365 flat. So that's what the Qs are looking like on the 15-minute. But bullish though, like higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We did come up here and wick off this level twice. All right, and then if you slide over here, look, we did hold the double bottom on the S triple Q. And we're looking kind of bullish for a second. Like we actually wanted to break above the 9 and the 120. We held the higher low. I mean, we held the double bottom. So I'd say it's not completely over with for the bears just yet. But if we continue to come down here and just crack level after level, especially this double bottom, then I just get out the way, focus on scalping to the upside, basically. That don't look too impressive right there. I mean, we did put in a higher low. Let's see how we're wicking all those indicators. Look, AI about to go front side. Dude, I'm eating off that. I've been hearing some bullishness, like some bullish sounding information on AMD. Trading in the range. Trading in the range. Trading in the range. But we are grinding up, going towards the top of this range here. Same thing with the Russell. The SPY being propped up by the 9 EMA right now. I'm just getting murked, bro. Trying to trade against this range, trying to trade against the trend, bro. Cause I know, dog. Eventually, we have to give some back. But just when? It's not looking like today, dude. I'm about to grab a 440 call, just to hedge. Four 40 calls. Yeah, bro. All right, look what's happening as we get to the top of this little range we've been trading in. New candle just opened above the previous candle, above that level, which is freaking obviously bullish. And yeah, hold on, let me see something. Look at that, ripping, ripping. Look at this. The Russell's ripping, S&P 500's ripping to the upside. Everything's pretty much ripping to the upside right now, dog. We just made a new high. Uh, Look at Tesla though. Little double top here, but remember we're trading above that pre-market. Look, we're up here. as high as about 265 in pre-market. I ain't gonna lie, boy. I'd be scared to trade Tesla. You get your ass handed to you quick trying to trade Tesla, bro. Look, we're just running up. 438.25. Just nothing but a healthy pullback. All right, bro. This is it, dog. If we can't pull back off of this and at least show some signs of, like I said, mortality. I don't know if that's the right word, bro. Like, but you know what I'm trying to say. If we can't pull back a little bit, say, look, we're just stepping up, bro. We're stair stepping. And then as soon as I say that, we see some bearishness come in. Damn, I need to make coffee, bro. I gotta go get a haircut too. I got an appointment. Look at this, bro. Need a haircut bad. It's like something I don't enjoy, bro. Like I don't like going to the barber shop and sitting around waiting to get a haircut. Fucking, you know what I'm saying? People like, you know, talking shit, wasting time. I like to go in, get my shit cut, and get out of there, bro. Line in the sand, dude. High days line in the sand for me, bro. Look, 438s. I told you. I mean, you could have rinsed and repeated that. Trying to reject off the 9 here. Reject to the downside. Punish the Bulls. They've gotten too greedy. Gotta put these Bulls in check here, bro. Don't get me wrong, I'm bullish too, bro. I'm just bullish on my long term. You can be bullish and bearish at the same time. See, look, Tesla's coming up here, testing this double top. Actually, it's looking like we're gonna break past it for a second, which obviously I'm welcome to. Dude, my average calls. Let me see what my average calls on Tesla is. Last price, Fidelity saying 261.32. There's a little might be a delay or something there. My average cost basis is 190 on Tesla. So I'm way up. My average cost on Palantir is 750. Way up on that as well. But dude, I'm telling you, Palantir's behaving like a meme stock, bro. Like a spec play. I'm telling you it is. Because look, when this thing's been bouncing and bullish. Uh, the market was fading, and that means capital's rotating. In my opinion, it's just a theory. It's just a working theory, but I've seen it. Look, look at that. That's bullish right there. If you come over here, we're fading during that time. I'm trying to see where this level is. Hold up. 438 flat basically. So if we're breaking above 438 once again. 438.05. If we're breaking above that once again, bro. Now, one thing I will say is it's kind of looking trappy because we faded and then we bounced. If we can't bounce back up to this level, then it's trappy. $438 puts right now. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. I am not a financial advisor. I am just the executive and CEO of my own portfolio and my business. Just want to get that out the way. It's like, no one really knows what's going to happen. No one has a crystal ball except for one person. You should already know who that is. If you don't know, listen, if you don't know who has a crystal ball, then you got some homework to do before you jump into markets. First of all, because for you to be trading live with real money, uh, you, you know what I'm saying. You had to have done extensive homework and research. And if that's the case, you should know who has a crystal ball. You know what I mean? If you're in the markets trading with live money, you had to have watched, I don't know, a couple thousand hours worth of training materials, either off of YouTube or wherever. You know what I'm saying? Because remember what I said, screen time equals green time. Hashtag. Remember, you heard it here first. Like, I probably need to copyright that. Tesla's doing something. What I've seen a lot of times is Tesla lead the direction of the market. In the short term, though. Like, for instance, if Tesla starts rejecting, you'd expect to see, like, maybe the Qs, and then, uh, obviously, the SPY because of the correlation. 438 puts to the downside. Ooh, 438.01. What's Yahoo Finance talking about? The Fed is expected to skip a rate hike today, but signal a willingness to keep hiking in the future. I mean, if they skip a rate hike today, a rate hike today, we're gonna rip to the upside. I mean, that's you should know that. What did I say, bro? 438 puts up here and out. What did I say? You already got out. Look, from here to here, you're out. Even from here to here, you're out. I don't know, bro. Like I'm seeing the S&P 500 do a whole lot of nothing. Let's go to 30 seconds. Nvidia on the high. Meta is not. Meta's pulling back. Nvidia's grinding up. Look, look at the Russell just trading in the range here. Basically between previous close and this level. And I got that level from, let's see where I got it from. Right here, 187.60s. The Russell, come on down. Look, Nvidia's beasting it, bro. Like, I mean, hindsight's freaking 2020, bro. I ain't even gonna say it. Good Palantir. Let's go, dog. I told you fair value for Palantir is $20 at least. I didn't go over to it. Fidelity. Nvidia hit a new 52-week high, 419.39. Right here. Let's see if we get a reaction out of the market, out of the Qs. Dude. I mean, whoever freaking had the foresight to freaking grab some far out calls or even leaps on Nvidia. Oh my god, they're freaking eating right now, bro. They're rich. I don't know. It looks like we're like kind of coming down here. My bad, I'm on the wrong screen. Look at Meta coming down here. And remember, like from yesterday, we didn't see any fading and movement to the downside in the overall market really until Meta came down here and cracked VWAP. And Meta's in the process of cracking VWAP right now. And, like it took a while for Meta to crack VWAP. We tested it like 5 times before we actually broke it down. So that's not gonna be easy, especially seeing that it coincides almost with this level here. I seen some violent price action on Nvidia just now. Some volume. Look. So the Russell has now broken out of that range to the downside. Let's see if we can stay up underneath this level here and consolidate. We came down for a second and immediately bounced back up there. Look, remember what I said about Meta? Look, it's on VWAP. Alright, it's cracking VWAP. There's also a level here at 273.30s. So if we crack VWAP and that level, I would expect for the market to actually fade some. I mean, I'm not saying we're gonna wash out, but damn, like, show some moderation. That's what the Qs are doing. As Meta cracks VWAP, look, Meta's cracking to the downside pretty hard here. We cracked VWAP that level. We got all the way down to the 120, and we're trying to bounce off of it. 273 flat. So that would be the next major barrier uh, if you're trying to fade, in my opinion. Look, we're back in this range. They're not ready to give up yet. I feel like, okay, obviously the market's been bullish, so a lot of people are up, right? Like the overall, you know what I'm saying, market. Like a lot of people are up, but depending on what Jerome Powell says, you know what I'm saying, could move the market up or down. You feel me? It's really, no one knows exactly what he's gonna say and how the market's gonna react, right? So there is a possibility that he says something that causes the market to sell off. Correct? So I feel like because of that, and because the majority of everyone, you know what I'm saying, is up, just because the market's up, and then you got people that obviously trying to jump jump in and ride the trend to the upside. Um, but as we get closer to the meeting, no one knows what's going to happen. So you might see some profit taken before then. Because I know I certainly, you know what I'm saying, if I was swinging to the upside and up tremendously, I would surely take profits before JP gets on. So I'm just going to assume that a lot of people would be thinking the same way. And that could cause us to sell off a little bit. You feel me? Look, Palantir got all the way up here, faded. Didn't go backside, but sure looking like it wants to. Look at the S triple Q. That's something different. Look, we came down here and held this 1990s. Almost like a triple bottom. Sloppy triple bottom. You feel me? Dude, I was gonna double down and grab the 438s up here. I should have, bro. I don't want to be over leveraged and leaning too much in one direction. But look, we're obviously coming down. Look, having trouble with the 9 right now. $437.80s. As you can see, it is a level going straight across intraday. like it happens to coincide with the 9 EMA as well. All right, again, trying to bounce. Like, what the hell is that? I gotta find out what that is. Hold on, let me do some homework. Let me do some housekeeping real quick. Look at the Russell like ripping. Oh, it must be 11 o'clock. Yep, it's 11 o'clock. It's that 11 o'clock volume coming in. Look, might have popped all the way up here to the 9 and it's trying to cross over VWAP. I mean, obviously, we're up on the day. The Russell's going back front side. And then look, Meta's trying to cross over VWAP. If that happens, we're going to the upside. Another little burst to the upside, real quick. Rejecting all VWAP again. Like we're wedged between prices wedged between VWAP and the 9 EMA. It's always tricky. Gotta go to 30 seconds real quick for some to see what's really going on there, bro. Oh, still range bound. Dude, at the top of the range. Look at this. Alright, where's the level at here, bro? S triple Q looking to bounce here. Look at that. If this thing comes up here and crosses over VWAP, bro. I've been wanting to grab some AMD for the long term, but I feel like we're too high up right now. Uh, I want to bring my average cost up because, like, dude, my average cost on AMD, I grabbed some, not a lot, but like a decent amount when when AMD was like at $60 or something, almost like 100 shares. I mean, not a lot, but a good enough amount that if I were to buy more now, like it would bring my average cost up considerably. Uh, Do that. Look what Apple did. Faded decent. Came down here and bounced. So now what we need to figure out is why did we bounce off that level? So we can be prepared for it next time. Basically pre-market high. Right here. 183.50s. Now Apple's bouncing decent. What's Tesla doing? I mean, I would expect for there to be support at 257.60s on Tesla. As you can see right here off the 10-minute, we wicked off of it, came down here, we're trying to bounce off of it. We're also trying to come down again. It's already backside. I'm gonna get rid of some of these levels. The only level we really need to be concerned about is down here. Right there. Um, Now look on the 10-minute. That's interesting. We basically been like topping out against this level here all morning since the initial push to the upside. Look, so for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 minutes. So over an hour, we've been topping out against this 43.82. Now we did break above it like slightly for a little bit, but for the most part, for the last hour, we've been topping out against this here. And you do see the Russell coming down. I mean, Nvidia is just still bullish. Notable Meta has crossed over VWAP, or let's go to like a slightly higher time frame. Yeah, we crossed over VWAP. And this thing's looking to come up here and test this level again. Notice at the same time we have the Russell fading as we come up here and test this level. But I see the SPY just putting in higher lows, bro. Look. Coming up to test this level. Well, see, now the Russell's bouncing though. Okay. Remember, we broke above it slightly here and here. So I say ultimate line in the sand is going to have to be up here somewhere. Like right here. 43.83.75. And we're, we're running there, bro. Look at this. 438.10. I mean, basically looks like the S&P 500. As you look, they're identical. Look, you can see right here. Come over here, look right here. So really, like the very top is up here, 438.25. But I mean, this is looking bullish right now, bro. Look, you got the S triple Q about to break down this freaking support. Look, SoFi's coming down. SoFi, damn, got up to 10.25. Palantir coming down. But the market was kind of bouncing. That's that rotation, man. See? We're bouncing. Look, this is like the tippity top, bro. Like, if we don't reject there, bro, we're not. We're just putting in new highs. See, the problem I have now is, bro, I obviously see the trend is to the upside, bro. But at this point, I feel like I'm chasing. If I were to go long here, I feel like I'm chasing, bro. Honestly, look at this. But dog, we're just ripping. I'm about to grab some 440s because honestly, I expect. Look, we're just ripping to the upside. I expect Jerome Powell to say all the right things. Uh, Look at this. That's how you know we're working bullish as hell, bro. All right, dude. 436 is wrong day. On the highs here, this thing's about to go front side. Meta's above VWAP. Nvidia's on the highs. S triple Q on the lows. I mean, everything is pointing to bullish as fuck, to be quite honest with you.
Order filled.
So I stopped out. Let's see what the hell is about to happen there. Dude, we're going to the upside, bro. No ifs, ands, and buts about it.
Market data connection re-established.
The fuck? Well, what just happened there? I lost some market data for a second. You heard that? Strike against whatchamacallit? Look, I stopped out as soon as we come up here and look like we may reject. But like fuck it. See? Uh nah, dude. I don't know, bro. To be quite honest with you, I feel like we need to come back down, but it seems like we're just in a dip buyer's market, bro. Look, Palantir bouncing.
Order filled.
Alright, so I flipped long, bro. I got a feeling that I may have flipped long at the wrong time, bro. But dude, we just been bullish, bro. Like you can't deny it. Can't deny it, bro. Look at this. Alright, so 438. That's a major level I would expect to be support. But look at this, dude. Palantir is fading. S triple Q still fading on the lows. AMD waking up here, crossing over. I've been hearing some bullish rhetoric about AMD. And look, if we just go back a couple of days, we do see that we can get up to 130s. You feel me? If the market's bullish enough. And we're actually above all indicators. Oh, my bad, dude. See, this is what I don't like. As soon as I flip long, we're pushing higher, but I'm seeing weakness up here, like with these wicks. But look, I'd say the higher low, like we need to hold this 438.50s, meaning we can come back down here and test this. As long as we don't break below it, we're good. And look, S&P 500 on the highs, Nvidia on the highs. Meta is above VWAP and the 9. This thing's pushing higher. So, dude, like, fuck all that. I'm not trading against the trend. The problem I have with going long, like intraday, is I feel like I'm already long in my long term. But I mean, fuck it. I mean, I guess I'm just out eating both today. I'll eat in the long term and in and intraday. Look at Tesla popping, going front side, also breaking above VWAP, the 120, the 9, everything like that. That's pure bullishness. Look at this. I grabbed the 440s. I feel like we'll run up at least until the press conference. Just running on up. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. Look, running on up. I don't know, bro. I just feel like it's. I mean, maybe I'm making it too complicated. Just trade with the trend, bro. The trend is your friend. Duh. But I just know, like this type of shit is too good to be true. But at the same time, we're also in unprecedented times where like inflation is finally starting to cool off. They're talking about pausing rate hikes. You feel me? So like it's the perfect storm really to see that bull market come back. I've been fighting against it um for the last 2 days, but I mean I'm not a pain freak. So I don't enjoy feeling pain. I mean, look, S triple Q steady fading, bro. So what about success? Success on the lows. Well, that's all you need to know right there. Just watch the S triple Q. Watch success. If you see him dumping and just putting in a bearish pattern, lower lows, lower highs on the lows, like you know the market's going to continue to run up. And that's uh the simplest way I can explain it. Look, jumped on them 440s. Look, we're trading at 439.05. I mean, I'm up 2.5% on them. Seeing some weakness at 439. I mean, you'd expect to see you'd expect to see that at a major level like that though. Doesn't mean anything. Look, here's something we haven't seen. The Russell coming up here and crossing over VWAP. Was trying to. Moderation's good. That's not moderation right there. Look, we're dumping. As soon as I flip long, we start seeing the type of moves I was waiting for. And you can see it here. Look, bouncing a little bit, bouncing a little bit. Look at that. Soon as I flip long, bro, we're coming down decent too, bro. Look, that's a change. Something has changed. Look, meta coming down and cracking. Oh, Lord, have mercy. $438.50s. Because look, that's where we're having trouble at, like chopping around. So you would expect that to be a level. If we come back down here and crack this level, then obviously you want to be on high alert. But the 440s aren't. They're not same day expirations. So I'm still looking to fade something if the opportunity presents itself. $365.50. On the Qs is the level that we could possibly pull back to, uh, but still continue our trend to the upside. I mean, if we could hold this, that'd be even better. But we did see a nice little pullback here. But I mean, honestly, after a run up like that, I mean, for it to be sustainable, you do need to see a pullback. So if you're long right now, this little pullback is welcome as long as we don't pull back too far. You feel me? Although I don't like how this is looking. I don't like how it's looking. Look, I like how this is looking. So look, for us to continue to trend to the upside, you, you'd want to see success come down here and crack this little support or whatever it is. Same thing for the S triple Q. Right now they're bouncing. Market's pulling back decent. Remember, like I'd say we could pull back here. Really, it's 50s, but the roll levels here. Now, if we pull back past this, we could see some fading. Look, like the Russell's coming down, like cracking previous close again. Got all the way up to VWAP though. I don't know. It's almost like I'm seeing a little weakness in the markets here. Damn. But why are those 438 so expensive right about now, bro? Get primed up. Just in case. I'm like seeing some weakness here, bro. Look at this. Barely holding on here. And if you look at Nvidia, we backed up off the highs decent. Meta, same thing. Look, we pull back to this level. Look, we're trying to break down. Did I get filled?
Order filled.
Dude, you gonna fill me when the market starts bouncing, going against my order? That sucks. That's why I like to do market orders. I'm about to close that out ASAP. So I was trying to catch the breakdown. We did break down, but then we immediately bounced. I guess I don't know, limit price or something. Let's see. I mean, obviously, I want us to break down a little bit, but eventually keep going up because I did got the 440s, and I did say we can pull back to this level, and that's what we did. All right, we'll go over the watch list for a second. Hold on, I need to do something. Bitch in there, bro. It smells like my computer's burning. Ah. Oh, my bad. Hopefully that doesn't make too much noise. See, I feel like we can, you know what I'm saying? People are gonna eventually take profits before this meeting, bro, this press conference. But then, since the numbers were cool, and they're probably gonna pause the rate hikes, that's gonna be bullish as hell for the stock market. So I feel like we may fade, and then like going into the press conference, and during the press conference, we're definitely gonna bounce. We're definitely gonna run up. So that's why I grabbed the 440s, but a few days out. So I have some leeway on that, but I'm kind of still expecting a fade before the press conference. Like, this is where I should have faded from, bro. But it's just like we've been so bullish that there has been no top of the range, like off the open. Like usually after the first 15 or 20 minutes or so, you kind of get a sense of where we're gonna trade at for the day. But because we've been so damn bullish, like the top of the range just keeps getting extended to the upside. But again, I feel like we should see some profit taken before this meeting. I mean, if you think about it, because I don't think most people would risk being up decent going into the press conference, and then the JP say something wrong that causes the markets to dump, and you give it all back. You feel me? But at the same time, I do expect us to remain bullish, like after the press conference. But I feel like we might see again a profit taking cycle before it. I don't know if that makes any sense. A little market psychology. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking a little too critically. I can be guilty of that sometimes. AMD. Yeah, I want to grab an AMD call. Look what we've done. Look what we've done since we sold off. We came down here and tested the bottom. I mean, I'd really call it right about here. Ever since we tested the lows, look, we just been putting in higher lows, higher lows. So right here, we'd have to hold this higher low in order to see continuation. Had my eyes on AMD for a while. It'd have been nice to grab one below 127 though. I'm interested in some AMD calls. Been up here. Oh, my bad. I'm on the wrong damn chart. Sorry about that. I mean, if we come back below 127, and if we pull back here to 126.80s, I'll grab 127 calls. FRTX. Fresh Tracks Therapeutics. FRTX. What's that doing? Oof. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this thing. What just happened? Things looking pretty bullish right now, my guy. Oh, whoa. What has it been doing, though? Where'd this thing come from? Okay. I've been consolidating down here for a while, bro. What, biotech? Charlie saying they have much more market cap than cash and overall assets. Company is making progress on its pipeline, so assets should be considered useful and valuable to shareholders to help the company get its pipeline to market. Price target is $4 from Oppenheimer, $4.50 from H.C. Wainwright. Look at this thing. I mean, I'm interested above $1. We can't get above $1. Oh, and look, the market's selling off. It was selling off in that little bit of time. Look, yeah, I'd be interested in this over $1. If we can get over $1 and consolidate. See what I'm saying? Like, I feel like profit taking will ensue. Look, we dumped, chopped around this level for a while. I would expect this to now be resistance. This 43.87, yeah, 43.87 and a half. And then look, some proof of concept. There you go. Meta's doing the old inverse higher low thing. Look, there's your support. Inverse. This would be your inverse higher low. This would be another inverse higher low. See that? Like if you flip it upside down, it'd just be bullish and putting in higher lows. You know what I'm saying? So there's a little proof of concept. Also, you got Nvidia. I mean, just putting in new highs, but backing up off the highs considerably. We have the Russell looking like it wants to come down again. Look at Palantir. A Palantir cracks 15, dude, which is way down here. So we're still good. I don't like what AI is doing here. We got as high as 44 before dumping and giving some back. I mean, if you look at this dump right here, look how we rejected and faded. I mean, this is a kind of similar. So just because we started dumping here doesn't necessarily mean anything because we did the same thing here. See what I'm saying? All right, let's clear this off. We'll go to like 5-minute candles. I mean, that might have been all the fade we were going to get. Oh, oh, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Oh, I'm on the wrong damn chart. My bad. My bad. Hold, cover your ears. Oh, Lord. What's up with that? I can't listen to my shit. My bad. Put on some beats by E. Check out this FRTX thing. See, I'd be interested over $1. At least we need to break above 96 first. These are daily. This is off the daily. And then I'd say 125. I mean, definitely need to break above 95. I'd just go ahead and call it $1. We popped and we're maintaining a higher low. Look, fading. I'm definitely gonna do some gaming today, bro. On the stream, you know what I mean. I'm after the cream, dog. I don't sleep, I don't have time to motherfucking dream. More like nightmares. Where the money at, I'm right there. Dog, use a jitterbug, I'ma put you in a high chair. Bars. Hey, you know what happens when that beat come on, right? That means we about to dump, boy. And slump, boy. Run up, I'ma hit you with the pump, boy. Believe me, I ain't scared to dump, boy. Better check my record. Believe me, it's checkered. Look. Don't want to be too greedy here though, because look, we're coming down here to this level. Alright, if we crack this, then more continuation though. Up 2% on the Trizzy. I get busy. I'm throwing the game to you like a motherfucking frisbee. You better catch it. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to be too greedy here. Although it looks like we're about to crack this level. See? Look at that wick on the 32nd. Yeah, that's it. Why am I getting fucking Facebook notifications, bro? Like, I'm not even logged into Facebook, dude. Most talked about stocks today on retail. are AMD, Tesla, Nvidia, and SoFi. High implied volatility, AI, qubits, ANNX, VSTM, ITOS, PDSB, Ruckus, EFTR, and Sci-Fi, SIFY. Look, what did I say, bro? When that beat come on, you know what time it is. Way backside now. Look at that. See, now I'm pissed that I freaking flipped long. Because, yeah, I'm up 2.5%. But I'm freaking down 1.5% on the 440s. So I'm like a little better than break even right now. But what I'm saying is, I'm sure I expect profit taken before the meeting, and then during the meeting I expect us to bounce and run and keep running. Because the numbers came in cool. And if they decide really to pause hiking the rates or even cut, dude, we're gonna take off to all-time highs. That's how I feel. How far did we fade? We're having trouble with this level. We cracked it and then gained it back. Now it's looking like we're about to try to crack it again. But I don't want to be too greedy. Coming down. Coming down. So it's only a matter of time, dude. Let's see, this would be like normal operating conditions. Once that meeting comes around, like, all that shit's out the window. Out the window. I'm a little more alert this time. No endo. I'm about to play some Zelda on Nintendo, the new one. I know, you know, I'm the true one. I done ran through one or two. But that's a secret. Do you have a big mouth? Can you keep it? Shh. Alright, if we crack this level, I know I'm on to something. Then I'll be looking at this one next. Look, 15-second, 10-second. Look at this shit. Dumping, son. Look at that. 10-second candles can't even keep up with it. Meta's about to come down here and go backside, boy. Don't let that happen or we're really gonna dump. Russell on the lows. Look how far we are off the highs. But where are the lows at? Where are the hoes at? I'm not interested. Telling you, bro, like, profit taking will ensue before this meeting. I'm just pissed I didn't stick to my original theory. Look. Cracking VWAP. Q is still above VWAP. So if we keep dumping 364s on the Qs, look at that. Oh my god, dude. Right when I said it. I'll still be looking at them. Look. Yeah, I mean, right here, like, actually, the low's here. Then after that, right here, 437.60s. Fuck, see, this is where I should have baited, bro. 439 and change. I guess it's just taking longer for us to test the top of the range now. Look, we came down here and bounced off this level like the pre-market high or whatever. on the cues. Trying to bounce, but bouncing up into the 9 EMA. The spy trying to reject off VWAP right now. Oh shit. That's bullish music. Oh, it's time for me to get out, dude. Bullish music came on. Look, the cues are already bouncing. God damn. Stop fucking spamming me, bro. Like, get off my... See, look. Oh, that bullish music, come on, look, we start bouncing. Let's go ahead and get out of that real quick. Dude. And did I get filled? How did I not get filled? Okay, how am I not getting filled on a market order, bro? Alright. So I'm landing. Catch that fade. Alright, let's clear some of this off. It's looking sloppy. I'm still in the 440s. Look, Hunter running up. S triple Q fading. Success looking like it wants to fade. I mean, shit, if we keep dumping it, I'm about to get out them 440s. The expiration isn't until like later in the week, though. I feel like I still have time to let those work. That's more like a swing trade. Caught that fade, boy. Seen that? Should have got out here though, but I didn't get filled. My execution was a little sloppy, I guess. But look, now we're going back up. Going back up. To the hi-hat. Handcrafted. You know, I was live streaming on TikTok the other day. Like I was gaming. Bro, I switched like for a second. I just went to freaking like trading view just to see what the market was doing and see how my positions were doing. For 1 second, bro, when they freaking banned my live, they banned me from live streaming on TikTok for a week. That's why I stopped. Like uploading to TikTok and streaming to TikTok, bro. They ban you too much, bro. And I mean, I'm pretty close to damn whatever you need to get to do whatchamacallit. Look. I mean, alright. Well, I'm pretty close, bro. You need what, 10K? I did. They ban you too much. And plus, I'm locked out of my other TikTok. I got a finance TikTok, but can't remember what email I used. All right, let's zoom out. Dude, look at Palantir. What's AMD doing? Boom, that's the washout. The washout, that's a play too. Dump off the open, find support, and then buy the dip. You would have been Gucci. Here to here. Up from previous close to the 120. We're going up, it looks like. Having a little trouble at 438.10. If Meta came down here, bounced off previous close. Going up, baby. Let's get some real levels real quick. Yeah, 438.10. Did I get filled? Bro, Look, that's bullshit, dude. I just try to get filled here. My limit price is 114. That's why. Fuck.
Order filled.
Look, here's the actual chart of a swing I just took. So I grabbed the 439 call at 116. So I guess, yeah, anything up here is in the money because it's green up here. Look. Look at that V. I've seen that before. Last time we seen that V, we not only came up to the freaking apex of the V, but we broke past it. Look. Seems like a lot of volume just came in. Yeah, no, I don't know how to read that. Looks like it. I'm gonna take it off of that estimate shit. Look. I forgot how to do it right now. I mean, looking bullish for now. I mean, I don't know what's going on with Meta. Or Nvidia. They're looking pretty bearish. Little weakness coming in the tech right now. Ugh. That's triple Q came down here and bounced, and then got up to VWAP, rejected, and it's trying to hold the higher low right now. Look at Palantir about to go front side. Look, socks this about to crack. $970s. AMD grinding up. I'm interested in some AMD, bro. It's just haven't. I don't know. It'd have to be a quick scalp though, because I'm not seeing any consistency with it. Uh, 126.80s. Matter of fact, let's get some row levels. Man, it does look like an uptrend. I mean, I'm seeing socks S bouncing, and also S triple Q trying to hold this higher low and bounce. So I expect to see some fading over here, yeah. Oh shit, dude, we might get another fade. Look at this. This might be the real one. Let's see what happens when we pull back to this level. Oh, wrong chart, my bad. Let's see what happens when we pull back here. Look like we're about to come down, dude. Look at this. My bad, I was looking at something real quick. Back in this range. Let's see if we can hold this level here. I mean, the Russell's looks like it's going up. This is concerning right here. Yeah, that's good. Volunteer rejecting off previous close, 16 again. I mean, S triple Q pushed up, pulled back, and is like putting in higher lows again. And you can see it right here. I mean, that's a higher low though, but yeah, we're breaking down like this. Yeah, bro. Remember I said, dude, like I expect profit taking before the meeting. We got it right here. Looks like that was it. But it seems like we're attempting to come down again. We could possibly come down back here and like put in like a double bottom or something. I don't know if I want to stick around for all that. I'm trying to read like right. Yeah, we're coming down decent, bro. I say this 438, whatever. I mean, right there. We need to hold this level. If not, bro, it could fade more. $438 flat. And then, I mean, shit on the SPY, it's like, what, 43.81. Damn, they're 438. Yeah, we're coming down. Coming down, bro. Let's look at some more stuff off the watch list. Popping pre-market, gave half of it back. Maintaining the higher low. Ticker symbol CYXT. Maintaining a higher low above VWAP. Interesting. T2 Biosystems. Another one that popped pre-market. It gave it damn near all back though. Ideanomics. Alright, popping pre-market, running up. These are all small caps. Alright, it's maintaining a higher low though. Blue Water Biotech. Popping pre-market from what, 80 cents up to $2. Gave about half back. Maintaining a higher low here at about 130s. That's interesting too. Especially if we just get bullish off the press conference. All these plays are gonna pop, bro. This one popped pre-market, gave it all back. Look, coming down, bro. Dude, I knew it. We're coming down decent. But like what I've seen historically is like right before the press conference, going into the press conference, like right when the live feed comes on, we start ripping to the upside. I mean, this is looking pretty bearish right now. Like I said, we possibly could just come down here and like hit a double bottom and then bounce. Now this thing's below VWAP. That shit cracks VWAP. I'll fade it again, bro. For a quick scalp. Looking like 438's acting as resistance right now. Faded down the VWAP. It's looking like we're about to crack VWAP, bro. Oh, oh, we bouncing. I'm trying to see what motherfucking trades I'm in. Alright, I got the 440 puts. I'm at the 440 calls. So let me find that. 440 call. Then I also have the 439 calls. And I'll be looking to exit those right before the meeting. Or if we keep dumping for that shit. I mean, look, the Russell's backside, bro. Like, and I mean, from where market opened to where we ran to where we're at now, like we pretty much given half back. Is a mixing on that? Alright, like, dude, we're in this lunchtime dead time, bro. Like, what am I doing? Look at Palantir trying to go back frontside on you. Well, look, dude, you got a S triple Q putting in higher lows. Fox S trying to bounce. This thing's freaking dumping right now. Coming down. Playing around VWAP. Just cracked VWAP. On the lows, the Russell 2000 down there on the lows here. The SPY fighting to maintain VWAP. I mean, if we can hold above VWAP, we may be able to stop the hemorrhaging. Yeah, dude, it's like lunchtime, dead time, and all that. Like, I need to go make some coffee, go outside, get some sun, go for a walk, get some fresh air. But, definitely, we'll be back right before, or not even right before, but before the press conference. Look, dude, we're dumping here, bro. I have to close one of these freaking calls out. I mean, actually, I'm fine. Like I said, we usually run up right before the press conference. That's when I'll go ahead and close them out. But yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break. I mean, that was a pretty long stream. How long was it? 3.5 hours. Oh Lord, Daryl, look, we're about to dump here, bro. I don't like this. Not when I'm long. Let's see. This is why I don't like buying dips. I'm much more comfortable fading rips. But we'll see. Like, it's not a normal day, so It's a FOMC freaking press conference day. I mean, if you go back and look at them, even go find some of my old streams where I streamed it live, like right before the press conference. Soon as the live feed comes on, we just rip to the upside. Maybe they might do things different today. I don't know. We just have to wait and see. I don't like how Tesla came up here and rejected our previous close. That's freaking super bearish. Trying to break down V. We're trying to hold it, but dude, ultimately it looks like we're about to break down VWAP on the SPY here. I mean, keep in mind, dude, we got as high as 439 earlier. Yeah, we faded. But considering where we came from, we've given back maybe half, if that. So, again, that combined with the upcoming press conference, I feel we will at least pop up to 440 or 439. I'm not saying that we're going to stay up there, but we will pop up there. And that's where you can cash out at if you're long. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make me some coffee and stuff. By the way, look at Palantir. Way above 16. What's SoFi doing? All right, above 950s. That's my key level. I want to see us hold above for at least a day or two before I get back into some more SoFi. I've had it in the past, made money on it. I also lost money on it. I made more than I lost. Look, dude, we're about to crack VWAP. Cracked. But they'll play with you too. They'll break down VWAP, and that's a setup as well, where you come down, dude. Look at Palantir. That thing just ripped to the upside, boy. This is what's concerning to me. The S triple Q putting in these higher lows now on the 3-minute for a long time, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for half an hour. Been putting in these higher lows. All right. I mean, you see the S triple Q coming up here and breaking past $20. Be on high alert if you're long. And look at so far, trying to bounce here. Put in some higher lows here. AMD faded all the way to view up. It's looking like it actually wants to break down though. All right. Like I said, I'll be back before the press conference though. And once again, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe or follow. Hit the bell and get the hell over to my Patreon to sign up for that watch list, which gives you that edge. Brethren, peace. I'll be black. Hey, like we're trying to bounce here though, dog. Just chill now. You see Tesla? I'm just saying, bro. Spine breakdown view up. It's playing around over here, trying to fake you out, dog. Just chill, bro. But anyways, and look at the S&P 500. Didn't even come all the way down for the double bottom. We actually found support a little higher up, which is good for the bulls, which I am now a bull right now. So good for me. But anyways, peace. And I'm going to fix my stream ending screen. I just been too lazy. I'm saying though, dog, look, we bouncing here. Look, oh, this might be the rip going into the press conference. Oh, dude, I feel like I shouldn't even get off right now, bro. I need to make coffee though. So again, peace.